Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody, and I'm here with another unboxing for you. Now, this is technically the only kit that I am blah blah blah. Let's try that again. This is the only kit that I am technically subscribed to at the current moment, and that's the Elle Studio monthly kit. So I decided I'm going to start sharing this kit with you every month because when I go looking for a kit to purchase, and I do purchase a lot of one-off kits each month, but when I go to look for a kit to purchase, I watch other unboxings to see what came in that kit. So I'm going to start making it a regular practice that I share all of my unboxings if at all possible. So this is the July monthly kit from Elle Studio. I did not add anything on to this kit for this month, so I just got my thank you card, which I always cut out that top part and use it on cards. I got the On This Day in July card with the date, and then I got the actual kit. So let's look at the kit. If you are not familiar with Elle Studio, I will link the shop in the description box below, as well as kind of give you a few details about this particular kit. So this kit is a monthly kit, and it is primarily a pocket style kit. But I use these kits for traveler's notebooks, for pocket layouts, as well as larger layouts. I use them for all different things. You get 2 sheets of die cuts. There it is. You get 3 4x6 tags, and then you get a variety of 3x4 tags. So let's look at each of those. Let's start with the 4x6 cards. This one says Always Loving This, and it's a purple grid with some stars. This one has some waves, and it's a gradient teal with a label. And this one has a green and white pattern, and it has favorite, 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 and it's like every other line says favorite. So you can do a good amount of journaling on there. And these cards are all single-sided, by the way. Then you get your die cuts. And these are actually a different setup than the one that I did for my kit review series in June. The one in June had a bunch of different hearts on it and kind of a similar style as far as which shapes. This is a completely different layout for the die cuts. So we've got lots of labels, some arrows, some word strips and banners. Circle says This Was Awesome. Favorite Summer Eats, So Happy to Be Together, Yum, Paradise Found, So Fresh and Good, some little trees, Forever Friends. This would actually be really good for the So Fresh and Good as well as the trees for some camping layouts that I have. We also have a couple speech bubbles, which is kind of new. I don't think we've had little ones with journaling like that in a couple months. Lazy Days, XOXO, The Sun Is Out, Let's Go, The Best Kind of Day. And then we just got some different not circles. Wow, I'm struggling with the words today. Some different colored labels, as well as Hooray for This. So that gives you a look at all of the 4x6 cards, as well as the die cuts. And then let's take a look at the 3x4 cards. I try to, when I share my unboxings with you, I will tell you if it is for my kit review series or if it is just a kit that I have purchased for a regular monthly kit. And this is just a regular monthly kit that I purchased. Hello. Some orange and purple together, which is an interesting combination. This is very similar to the blue and green card we had last month that I loved. So ampersand, some stars. Lots of speech bubbles. Again, the trees, which would be really good for some camping layouts. We always do a lot of camping. This is actually what made me fall in love with this kit, was this card right here. The Great Outdoors, Wild at Heart, Never Stop Exploring, Enjoying the Outside, Happy Camper. Oh, that's Q&A. I don't know if I said that. I got distracted by that card. Noteworthy, This Is an Important Story. A rainbow with a dark blue, and those are different rainbow colors on that one. Love, 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 love. An orange. 1 to 5, and that's red. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Simple Joys of Life. I feel like I could use like these 4 cards right here on a small layout. Would be really cute. A polka dot, which is really cute with a label on it. Here's What Happened, where you could tell the story, and then another kind of gradient banded card here. And those are all the 3x4 cards, plus my one freebie that says This Day in July. So that is this entire kit. I cannot wait to work with this, but I do have a couple other kits that are kind of on my desk in front of this one, so it may be a little bit before I work with it, but I'm super excited. I have been really loving getting in all these new kits and working with them. I have made lots of projects. Sometimes the videos up here on my YouTube channel are a bit delayed just because of the whole filming and editing process, but you will see them as soon as I get a moment to get them posted for you. But the best way to see those is to subscribe so you can see all of the new videos that I post, as well as follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of screenshots there before I post them here, just because it's easier. Alright, that is it for this Elle Studio monthly kit. This is the July kit again, and I will list all of the details of this kit in the description box below. Thank you for joining me today, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye!